What would you say to men or those who do not menstruate, who think that this is an issue that doesn't affect them? So menstrual leave policy is something that should not be considered. What do you say to them?
This is, first of all, this is not some disease or a problem. मतलब ठीक है, female goes through it every month. तो for male it's like, oh, आप लोग तो हर महीने करते हो, तो you should normalize it. But every month that pain is unbearable. You can't focus on anything. Or secondly, don't give tips until you are not there. You're not at a woman position, so don't apply your mind. Just you can do is be polite, be generous. ज़्यादा ओवर एक्टिंग भी नहीं चाहिए, बस यू कैन बी काइंड कि ठीक है भाई, तेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है.
हमें तो कभी भी महसूस नहीं हुआ कि पीरियड हो रहे हैं. वो होता था, एक दो दिन पेन भी हुआ, लेकिन वो इतनी बड़ी बात नहीं है कि हम अपने आसपास वालों के साथ बात ना कर पाए. मान लिया कि ज्यादा जबरदस्त काम नहीं होना चाहिए, उस टाइम फिजिकल वीक हो जाती है लेडी, तो ये तो सोचने की बात है. तो वो हमारे जो आसपास के लोग हैं उनको कोऑपरेट करना चाहिए. लेकिन मैं नहीं समझती कि छुट्टी जैसी चीज मिलनी चाहिए. हम दया के भूखे नहीं है, प्यार के भूखे हैं.
कोर्ट प्रेमाइसेस में वॉशरूम्स की क्या हालत है?
अरे बस मैं क्या ही बताऊँ. मैं इसके बारे में तो आप मेरे से ना ही पूछो तो ही ज़्यादा है.
इतनी खराब?
मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा वर्स्ट वाली
मतलब
स्थिति है. एक तो हमारे यहाँ पर जो एग्जीक्यूटिव तब चुनाव वाले होते हैं, तो तब जी हम सबसे पहले इनका एजेंडा होता है कि वॉशरूम हम ये करवा देंगे, ये करवा देंगे, वो करवा देंगे.
Basically, being an advocate, we are supposed to wear black and white, especially white. We need to go to washroom regularly during periods, which they don't have to think about, but the washrooms are not good. The facilities are not available here.
Right.
And ladies' washrooms are usually closed on weekends. They are closed on Saturdays.
Why?
And we do come here. I had asked the faculty, because do they think that we don't need to go to washrooms on Saturday, or ladies don't come to court on Saturday?
Right. There are people who obviously this is challenged in the Karnataka High Court, which means there's an opposite side to this conversation. I'm assuming that men or people who do not menstruate feel like it's an issue that doesn't affect them, and therefore menstrual leave policies are not something that should be considered.
I think the committee should have some women also to represent.
Right.
How can you feel what a woman is feeling during those periods, the physical challenges,
Right.
not leave apart the emotional part.
Right.
Even the physical challenge, this is a tiring job.
Exactly.
We have to run from one court to another.
Of course.
We have to carry files.
What would you want to tell men or non-menstruating people? They think that a menstrual leave policy should not exactly make sense for them. It doesn't make sense to them.
Yeah, just like they have a uniform sick leave policy,
Right.
why not a uniform period leave?